Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could check how much RAM is available for usage in your computer. To do that, if you have Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 11, it works the same way. Click on the Windows logo in your keyboard or just click on the search tab and simply type settings. The next step, scroll down to the bottom and click on About. Here you will see your device specification. Under installed RAM, you will see how much RAM is available. I have here 8 GB and I have 7.70 GB usable. This may vary from computer to another, so you must see how much giga is in your computer and how much is available for usage. For those people who cannot find this option here, I will show you a trick how you can find it. So for people with older version of Windows 7, 8 and the XP, the easiest way will be first let's close this settings and go to the search tab and type run, R-U-N, click on it. Here you must type MS Info 32. Once done, click OK or hit enter. Let's make this window bigger. Scroll down to the bottom, see installed physical memory. Here you will see the physical RAM available in your computer. And total physical memory is the RAM available for usage. So in my case, I have a RAM of 8 GB physically available in my computer. And of that 8 GB, I can only use 7.70, which is very good in my case. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always press like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.